Imagine a world where our oceans teem with life, not just fish but vast underwater forests of swaying kelp and vibrant seaweed. These underwater gardens are not a futuristic dream but a tangible solution to some of the planet's most pressing problems. Seaweed farming, a practice as old as time, is experiencing a renaissance, offering a sustainable and nutritious food source. It also provides a habitat for marine life and helps combat climate change. As we grapple with the challenges of feeding a growing population and mitigating the impacts of climate change, the ocean holds immense potential. Seaweed, with its rapid growth rate and minimal environmental footprint, presents a compelling solution. It's time to dive into the world of seaweed farming and discover its transformative potential for our planet and our future. Seaweed farming, also known as seaweed aquaculture, is the practice of cultivating and harvesting seaweed. This ancient practice has evolved over time, adapting to modern techniques and technologies. It has been practiced for centuries in Asia, particularly in Japan, China, and Korea. These regions have perfected the art of seaweed farming, making it an integral part of their culture and cuisine. Today, seaweed farming is a global industry, with significant production in countries like Indonesia, the Philippines, and Tanzania. These countries have embraced seaweed farming, recognizing its economic and environmental benefits. This sustainable practice involves growing seaweed in the ocean, either on ropes, nets, or platforms. These methods ensure that seaweed can be cultivated efficiently and sustainably, without harming the marine environment. Seaweed farmers carefully select species suited to the local environment and water conditions. This careful selection process is crucial for ensuring the health and productivity of the seaweed crops. They then cultivate and harvest the seaweed, using techniques passed down through generations. These traditional methods are often combined with modern innovations to improve efficiency and yield. This practice not only provides a vital source of food and income for coastal communities, but also contributes to the health of our oceans. Seaweed farming helps to maintain healthy marine ecosystems by providing habitat and absorbing excess nutrients. Seaweed farming offers a sustainable and environmentally friendly way to produce food and other products, making it a crucial part of a more sustainable future. As the world looks for ways to combat climate change and ensure food security, seaweed farming stands out as a promising solution. The benefits of seaweed farming extend far beyond the dinner plate, offering a multitude of environmental, economic, and health advantages. Environmentally, seaweed acts as a significant carbon sink, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during its rapid growth. This natural process helps in combating climate change by reducing the concentration of greenhouse gases. By mitigating the effects of climate change, seaweed farming plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance and protecting marine life. Additionally, seaweed farms contribute to improving water quality by absorbing excess nutrients, such as nitrogen and phosphorus, from agricultural runoff. This process helps prevent harmful algal blooms and maintains the health of coastal ecosystems. Economically, seaweed farming provides a sustainable livelihood for coastal communities, particularly in developing countries. It offers a reliable source of income and promotes economic stability in these regions. The industry creates numerous job opportunities in various stages, including cultivation, harvesting, processing, and marketing. This not only supports local economies but also encourages community development. Seaweed is an incredibly versatile product used in a wide range of industries, from food and cosmetics to pharmaceuticals and even biofuels. Its diverse applications make it a valuable commodity in the global market. The growing demand for seaweed products creates new economic opportunities for farmers and businesses alike, fostering innovation and entrepreneurship in the sector. From a health perspective, seaweed is a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is known for its high content of iodine, iron, and calcium, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Incorporating seaweed into daily meals can enhance overall health and well-being, providing a natural source of nutrients that support various bodily functions. Seaweed farming methods vary depending on the species cultivated, the environmental conditions, and the resources available to the farmers. One common method is long-line cultivation, which is widely used. This involves suspending ropes seeded with seaweed spores between buoys at the surface of the water. The seaweed grows vertically downward, forming a curtain-like structure in the ocean. Another method is raft cultivation, where seaweed is grown on nets or bamboo platforms floating on the water's surface. Net cultivation involves growing seaweed on nets submerged in the water column, allowing for efficient growth. This method is suitable for species that thrive in deeper waters with different light and nutrient conditions. Lastly, bottom planting involves securing seaweed seedlings directly onto the seabed in shallow coastal areas. This method is often used for species that naturally grow on rocks or other substrates in their natural habitat. Section 5. From sea to shore, harvesting seaweed. Harvesting seaweed is a labor-intensive process, often done by hand using knives or sickles. Farmers carefully cut the seaweed, leaving a portion behind to allow for regrowth. The harvested seaweed is then transported to shore for drying, processing, and packaging. In some cases, mechanical harvesters are used to improve efficiency, particularly for large-scale operations. These machines use rotating blades or cutters to harvest the seaweed, which is then collected and transported to shore. The choice of harvesting method depends on factors such as the scale of the operation, the species being cultivated, and the environmental conditions. Whether harvested by hand or machine, seaweed farming provides a sustainable and environmentally friendly way to harvest the ocean's bounty. Section 6. Navigating the tide's challenges in seaweed farming. Despite its many benefits, seaweed farming faces challenges. One significant challenge is climate change, which can impact water temperatures, salinity, and nutrient availability, affecting seaweed growth and productivity. Another challenge is disease outbreaks, which can decimate seaweed crops. Pests, such as sea urchins and certain fish species, can also damage seaweed farms. Pollution from coastal runoff, including agricultural fertilizers and industrial waste, can negatively affect water quality and harm seaweed. Despite these challenges, seaweed farmers and researchers are working diligently to find solutions. They are developing disease-resistant seaweed strains, implementing integrated pest management strategies, and advocating for policies to reduce pollution and mitigate climate change. Section 7. Charting a sustainable course, the future of seaweed farming. The future of seaweed farming is bright, with tremendous potential to contribute to a more sustainable and equitable world. As the demand for sustainable food sources and eco-friendly products grows, seaweed farming is poised to play an increasingly important role. Research and development efforts are focused on improving farming techniques, developing new seaweed products, and expanding the industry sustainably. Innovation in areas such as seaweed-based bioplastics, biofuels, and animal feed is creating new markets and opportunities for seaweed farmers. Governments and organizations worldwide are recognizing the importance of seaweed farming and are implementing policies and initiatives to support its growth and development. The future of seaweed farming is about collaboration, innovation, and a shared commitment to harnessing the ocean's potential for a better tomorrow. Section 8. A call to action, embracing the potential of seaweed. As we navigate the challenges of the 21st century, seaweed farming offers a beacon of hope. This ancient practice, now revitalized with modern techniques, holds the promise of a sustainable future. It's a sustainable and scalable solution that can help us address climate change, protect our oceans, and feed a growing population. Seaweed absorbs carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate the effects of global warming while also providing a habitat for marine life. By supporting sustainable seaweed farming practices, we can all contribute to a healthier planet and a brighter future for generations to come. This means not only reducing our carbon footprint but also fostering economic opportunities for coastal communities. Let's embrace the power of seaweed and work together to unlock its full potential for a more sustainable and equitable world. From nutritious food products to biodegradable packaging, the applications of seaweed are vast and varied. Whether you're a consumer, an entrepreneur, a policymaker, or simply someone who cares about the future of our planet, there are many ways to get involved in the seaweed revolution. You can support seaweed products, invest in seaweed businesses, or advocate for policies that promote sustainable seaweed farming. Together, let's make a splash for a healthier planet, one seaweed strand at a time. By joining forces, we can ensure that seaweed farming becomes a cornerstone of our sustainable future, benefiting both people and the planet.